for that experience?
Well, okay, right now, I think we're talking how I got here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so when my brother secured an admission for me, right? Like I said, I was undecided, but by some friends, they thought it was a good thing for me to go because I thought I was doing well in Nigeria, and I didn't want hassle of. I heard that overseas is cold, so I wanted to remain in Nigeria, but my friends talked me into accepting. Then I did look for visa, no, first passport, okay? Then after I got a passport, I applied for visa, and gathered all the necessary documents. I traveled to Lagos, I met my friend, he took me to the embassy. Then at the embassy, luckily the same day, one shot, one try, the visa was granted. Then I came back from Lagos, back to the village, and I got myself prepared. Got us whatever I can take from Nigeria to US, right? Booked my flight, got in the plane, okay? Then I landed in Fargo, North Dakota, right? Then my brother's friend, whom he contacted, letting him know that his brother is coming. Remember by then, before I got to North Dakota, my brother had already returned to Nigeria. He returned to Nigeria in 1980.
Oh, so this was a year later.
Yes, he returned to Nigeria in 1980, okay? Then I came here in 1981. So his friend he contacted came to the airport. His name is Patrick Idemili. Then he picked me up from the airport, took me to the campus, first to the what they call Foreign Students Advisor's Office, for me to register, give my passport, my I-94, other goodies. Then after we did all that, then then you gotta go and select your classes, whatever, register. So Patrick took, that was the time you have all the classes on a newspaper, not electronic. So you go there, you see section, you see class, you see. Patrick helped me to do all that, okay? Then after we did all that, by then, there was no accommodation in the dormitory. Okay, my plan was to stay in the dorm, but there was no accommodation. School has already started. In accommodation, it's all, you fill out the application during the summer. By the time school starts, they've assigned it to students. So anyway, the idea is that you're gonna find your own place off campus. So Patrick didn't know what to do with me, all right? He lived in Morehead. Morehead is in Minnesota, across the river from North Dakota. He told me it's far. Taking me to his house, since I'm a new student, I don't have a car, it'll be difficult for me to go to school. The best thing is to find somebody who lives close by the campus. Well, luckily he met a Nigerian at the petrol station or gas station, close to the school. So he approached the guy and he told him, oh, here is a guy who came from Nigeria, whether he can accommodate me. And the name of this guy, Francis, okay? Oh, Francis, oh my God, I have an immigration problem. They've caught me walking, they're taking me to court. He doesn't have money, he can't help anybody.
He doesn't want problems.
He doesn't want problems. Then Francis suggested that another guy lives behind the library, but they didn't know the address of the house. His name is Jonathan.